Currently on the screen is another look at the life of what was Tropical Cyclone Owen. Unfortunately, he didn't reach Category 4 and is currently located 18.7 degrees south, 147.7 degrees east, winds 25 knots and central pressure at this point in time 1000 millibars. And welcome to another update from Force 13. We will be providing coverage to the other systems, South Indian Ocean and up there in the, I think it's the North Indian Ocean. However, for me personally, Owen really doesn't want to disappear. 1300 hours ex-tropical cyclone Owen was located off the northeast coast of Queensland, about 50 kilometres northeast of Ayr. It's forecast to move southeastward through the remainder of Sunday, likely to lie off the coast by early Monday morning. A broad upper level trough will move east over the state through the remainder of today and will eventually shift offshore into the Coral Sea later today. Now we have a look at some local information. Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland has a severe weather warning. The AU channel will provide local coverage to what has taken place since Owen crossed the southeast Gulf of Capricornia region. Here's the EPS track guidance. At 2 p.m, ex-tropical cyclone Owen was located, as mentioned, off the northeast tropical coast, and it's now 90 kilometres east to northeast of Ayr. It's forecast to move southeastward through the remainder of today, as mentioned, and atmospheric conditions expected to become less favourable for development on Monday and Tuesday, although a low-level circulation will remain visible off the Queensland coast. An intrusion of dry mid to upper level air will restrict any development. The upper level divergence remains around the 30 knots. Here's a look at the wind shear. The wind shear is supposed to drop. As a result, there is low to very low likelihood of this system redeveloping into a tropical cyclone, and the Bureau has percentages low, reducing to very low Tuesday or Wednesday. And we just had a look at the wind shear, the 24-hour shear tendency, and the 850 millibar vorticity. Now, this is the GFS wind probability model. It's being provided on a locally based company here in Brisbane, BSCH website. This is from 1600 hours through to 7 a.m. Monday. Each of these images are 3 hourly periods. The information's at the bottom of the screen, and this is the total precipitation, and some massive rainfall totals have been recorded. And thanks to Levi Cowan, Tropical Tidbits, here's a couple of tracks on what I'm going to say a very stubborn ex-tropical cyclone Owen. There's no doubt that it most likely would have been a Cat 4 on the Australian scale landfall on the western side of Cape York, but it was dry air and a couple of other factors Now, total precipitable water, the scale is on the right hand side of the screen. And the entire east coast of Australia has had severe weather for the last 3 to 4 days. And here's a look at the microwave imagery of the ex-cyclone. And something that has caught my eye, compiling the information for this update, is the Bureau of Meteorology's total forecast of rain. There are 3 images for 1 to 8 days. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and where the purple and pink, that's probably where the tropical low is going to be located. This information is updated 24 hours. And for the southeast corner of Queensland, south of Fraser Island, looking at up to 100 millimetres across this week.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.